Hi, Alec here from Platformly. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Platformly project within your website. Within your account, navigate to your profile, then Setup. By default, the project menu is already opened. This is the core of your Platformly account. Except the project, you can, as you know, add and adjust a lot of other aspects of your Platformly account. Choose the project you want to use. So in this case, we're going to use this test project. Then click on the action menu and choose Get Code. As shown in the instructions here, the code should be placed in the head tag of your website. There is also an additional option called Add Email Identifier, which is used if the actual visitor is already known to you. What that means? For example, if you have a SaaS and you want to track your members' user behavior, you're able to match your member with Platformly contact using their email address. More information on how event tracking works you can get in our Helpdesk under the article An Overview of Event Tracking. So here you will be able to see how you can use the events, including that parameter that I just mentioned. So let's continue now. We get the code. I'm going to quickly put on the website. So the code should go between the head tags. In this case, I'm going to put it here, like that, and save. Then I'm going to upload the file. This code can also be uploaded in any page builder. It can be uploaded in WordPress or any other site around. The important thing is that it should be between these two tags in order to work. There are some cases where some builders can cause issue if the code is placed between these two tags. So in that case, I suggest the actual code to be moved down and placed before the end of the body. So somewhere like here. Once you have copied and saved the code, make sure it exists in view source mode. So in this case, if I go view page source, I'm not going to see the actual code, right? So I'm going to refresh the page quickly and then go view source. As you can see, the code is now here. So this means that the code has been successfully placed on the website and it exists. If from some reason the code is not shown, it is possible your site is using a cache plugin. So the cache should be cleared in order the new changes to apply. So if you have a WordPress, for example, there are plugins like Total V3 Cache, Lightspeed, etc. So you should clear the cache in order the code to show up. After the confirmation that the code is on your website, you're ready to start using our tracking links and also events.